Hey, just a great video interview from a webinar I did with Chris Mersaw, the president of Topgrading, and his new book, Foolproof Hiring, that came out a few months back. And just some interesting things about hiring and how to essentially take with some simple things and double your hiring success from, generally hiring and internal promotions from 25, 30-ish to 50 or 60% success rate, because 25, 30 is the typical. And then obviously if the full top grading methodology would generally take you up in the 80+% range. So Chris is sharing some of the tips of at least the first step of some of the basic no-brainer things that can really, really help. So a great interview. I mean, the methodology has been so impactful for many, many of our clients. Back when I did all the interviews for scaling up for that book, 8 of those 50 CEOs I interviewed for scaling up quoted top grading as game changers. And we've seen the same thing in our clients that want to build incredible teams of people. Basically, going back to Jim Collins and the right people in the key seats, it's an outstanding framework to increase the odds. So the new book, Foolproof Hiring, has some basic, simple steps that make a big difference. And you don't have to go all the way to the full discipline of the master program, Top Grading. So I hope you have a great week. And I hope you're sitting there going, you know what? I've got all my aces in my places, so I can ignore the webinar. All right. Have a great one. Hope you enjoy it. There's also a link with clips to a whole bunch of specific conversations with Chris that he and I had, and breaking it up into little mini segments. Enjoy. Have a great week.